You draw an O for me? Very good. O. O. That's an X.
Good girl.
Where's the F? Where's an F? Where do you see an F? Show me an F. No. Where's an F? No, that's an E. Very close. E. F. Where's a D? Ione? Can you show me where there's a D? Show me. Do you see a D on this paper? Purple? Purple's right here.
Generex.
Oh, very nice. What's this? No, what's this? What letter is that? Very good. I, right. X, very good. What's that one you're coloring on? Do you know that one? B? What's that one? What's that one? O? O. What's this one? A? Very good. Your crayons are all rolling away. What are you coloring for me? What? Careful. That is some colorful drawing you're making there.
No. How about?
Can you do your numbers? No? A. You want to repeat the letters with Mommy? A. B. C. C. D. D. Have you lost interest? All right, we're going to turn this off. Say good night.